So in this video, I am going to show my project 3, that is extension of the previous project, that is along with the image editing. This time I am added the feature to detect my face and hand gesture, hand structure. So let's access this file path, folder path, and go to Anaconda prompt, maximize this window. Now go to the path. Now I will use ls to check all the list all the file names, and before that I have to activate my virtual Anaconda environment where I have downloaded and installed all the required packages for this project. So I will use conda env list as command to check what are the conda environment are present. So I worked in MP So to activate this environment, I am using command conda activate MP. So I am inside the MP environment where I had worked. So copy this file name and use Python file name. If I press enter, the UI will be opened. So this is my UI, which is the original live image, and this is my adjusted image. So whatever the actions I am taking with the control, it will affect only in the second frame. So now if you see here, there is a green color box which is detecting the face, and this is my hand, which is able to detect my hand structure. If I keep all the fingers in same place, I will close my hand. Even it is able to detect which is my finger. It is able to detect my hand also structure. So this is the box will be observed when my face is turned towards the camera perfectly. If I turn my face towards the left, it won't detect neither from the right also. Only when it is in the front. So let's adjust my contrast and edits. This is the new feature that I have added along with the hand and face detection. If I click on save, it will save in this path. So this is my folder path. So it is saved here as a save image one. What if I have the image path new image that is saved, and with the two fingers let's try save. With the live image also with three fingers, if I click on save, it will able to save all the images. Let's verify. So if you see here, image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4 with different hand gestures to ensure that it is saving perfectly. So it is perfect. So this is my project that helps in detecting the face are perfectly placed in front of the camera or not. And this is my buttons which resets everything after even after any edits or any control changes. If I click on there, it will adjust back to this brightness, this contrast and hue, saturation and fps. So this is my fps control also. Fps means frames per second. Per second it will can capture up to 60 frames. If I click if I turn it to 1, for 1 second it will update. If you see here, it is very slow. If I increase this to 60, it will affect every second. For each second 60 frames. So if I click on stop, it will terminate everything. Now if you observe the terminal, there are 4 images have been saved this to this path. That's it. So if you have to log out, then simply deactivate. Conda deactivate. This is my project. If you have any ideas, comment do that in the comment box. I will implement in the upcoming projects, and I will ensure that the new projects will be interesting for you all. Thank you.